I am Dylan, and today I'm going to tell you how to reserve a study room at Owens Library. Do you need a space to study or need to work on a group project? Reserve a study room. They are well equipped with anything you or your group needs. Located on the first and third floor of the library, we have many study rooms and a conference room that are equipped with desks, chairs, and a marker board. They are perfect for studying, group meetings, and limiting your distractions. Larger rooms also come with a projector. The projector equipment, along with markers and erasers for the whiteboards, can be checked out at the front desk of the library. In order to reserve a study room, the first step is to access the BD Owens Library webpage at nwmissouri.edu/library. Scroll down and you will find a clickable labeled button named Reserve a Study Room. This link will take you to our Study Spaces page. Here, you will find an overview of the library spaces, information about each floor, study room descriptions, and guidelines students must follow in the library. For now, we will focus on the Reservations tab. Click on the Reserve a Room button. This page will allow you to choose a room and schedule when you would like that room to be reserved. At the top, you're able to sort each room by available location, room capacity, and category. To select a study room for reservation, click one of the available rooms indicated by a green box. For this demonstration, we will be reserving room F at 8 o'clock. Room reservations default to 30-minute time periods. If you would like to extend your reservation, scroll down and click this drop-down. Here you can choose when your study room reservation ends, then click Submit. You may be asked to sign in. Use your S number and your Northwest login password. Please read the study room terms and conditions and click Continue. Enter your first and last name along with your Northwest email to finalize your booking. You will receive an email confirmation in your Northwest email. Please check your spam folder and contact the library if you have any questions. If you would like to cancel your study room reservation, go to the confirmation email and there will be a link to cancel all scheduled bookings. Once you've reserved a study room, all that's left to do is wait until check-in time. But don't be late. Students are required to check in to their study room no earlier than 5 minutes before the reservation start time. Your reservation will be forfeited if you don't check in within 15 minutes after your reservation start time. When the time arrives for your reserved space, check in using the link sent to your email. If you reserved a conference room located on the first floor, which can only be reserved after 5 p.m., stop by the library services desk to retrieve your conference room key. You must present your Northwest ID in order to check out the conference room key. Other study rooms will not require a key. Now, before you begin your group meetings or studying, let's go over some quick guidelines. Even though you are in separate rooms, the walls are very thin and your neighbors might be able to hear you. So please, be considerate and try to keep the noise to a minimum. Lost keys will result in a replacement cost, which will be charged to your student account. The library is not responsible for any personal materials left in the room. Don't let distractions get the best of your learning. Reserve a study room today at the BD Owens Library.